In this video, I'll show you how to install Zattoo TV on Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have an Android TV and you connected to the internet and want to install Zattoo TV to the Android TV, here's what to do. The first thing first, you come over to this application, download. You don't have Google Play Store or the application on App Store. So you come to this application called Downloader, which is an application that works like an intermediary app. So it helps you to search files, apps, music from the internet and you can all install them to your Android TV. So once you are here, all you have to do is to launch the application. So if you don't have the application on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There's a link there to help you get the application on your Android TV. After getting the application, you're going to come over here and then search. Now you can say something specific like install Zattoo TV or Zattoo TV for Android TV. You see, the more specific your results are, the more it's going to be best. So for instance, after typing in the keyword, you just have to go ahead and search. Once you search, here's how it's going to look like. The result page is going to be something like this. So once it's here, you can see there are many options. So you can scroll down to see the options that are available for you to install the application. So for instance, here's an option. Here's another one. So I'm just going to click on this for instance. And click on this, it's going to bring you to a page where you are supposed to install the application. So for instance, it's going to bring you to this page. And if the application is supported on your smart TV, you are going to see an install button here. Or if your smart TV version is compatible with the application, you are going to see the install button here. But if not, you're not going to see the install button here. So that's how to, if your TV is good enough, you are going to get the application here. That's how to get the application to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to the channel for more important videos like this.